For this type of flowers, we need only one small square and one white piece of paper. For the flower, you can take any color. Take this small square paper. Now, place this paper in front of you like a diamond shape. Then, put this corner on this corner and press it. Now, here we have two corners. Again, put this corner on this corner. Press here. Now, unfold the paper. Here we have middle of the paper. Now, what we are going to do, this is right side. Fold the right side on the left like this, and this left side fold from here. Now adjust the edges. After adjusting these edges, press here. Now take a pencil, mark here and draw a oval shape. You have to draw this shape under this straight line. Now cut this shape. Now open the flower. It will look like this. Now cut here only till the center point and cut one petal, but not full petal, just in slanting line. Take a glue. Apply glue here and stick the paper. Let it be dry. Now take a white piece of paper. You can draw a circle and cut it. If you have punching machine, then make a hole with punching machine. Here we have one small circle. Stick this circle inside the flower. Now take a pencil and fold these petals at back side like this. Hold the petals on the pencil and fold it at back side. And here our paper flower is ready.